In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the search region on ecosia.org. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open your browser and go to Ecosia. What you then want to do is you want to go to the top and go all the way to the right till you see these three lines over here. You want to hit these three lines and then go all the way down to settings. You want to hit settings and then you want to go to the left, and as you can see, here is the search region. My search region is in the Netherlands because I live here in the Netherlands, and if you want to change this, you can hit the Netherlands and you can change it to basically any country you want. So I leave it on the Netherlands because that's my country and that's where I live. But if you want to change it to your country, if it's not right, you can just do it this way. What search region results will do, they will optimize your results based where you live. So, for example, if you search for something like cows, cow website, they will first show you websites that are based in your country. So, if this video helped you out to change the search region on ecosia.org, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.